Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing one of the most sold MacBooks of all time, and the variant here is the base variant of MacBook Air 2020 released this year in March. I got the gold color option and the device also comes in space grey and silver. There are two major differences in this MacBook Air with previous generation. Firstly, it has Magic Keyboard instead of the problematic butterfly mechanism, which most of you must be well aware of. And secondly, the storage is doubled from previous generation, which had 128 GB and now respectfully stands at 256 GB, which is good enough for everyday use. Right from the package, the unboxing is like any other Apple MacBook unboxing. The box consists of the MacBook Air, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a charging brick. The charging brick for this MacBook Air is the lowest among all the MacBooks in the lineup. The charging brick is just 30 watt. So the charging might be slow, but considering the battery capacity, it isn't that bad. The device feels very well built and the color looks much better than MacBook 12-inch, which was more pinkish than gold. I got this MacBook Air via education store for Canadian dollars 1300, which saved around $150, which isn't bad considering you could buy many different accessories for this MacBook Air and have a great setup for yourself. To sum it up, this machine feels very well built, extremely light and easy to use for someone looking for everyday tasks. But if you're into photo editing, video editing or any kind of heavy applications, then this MacBook isn't for you. You better look at MacBook Pro. I hope you like this unboxing video, which is kind of short, but that's what I was aiming for. So do like, share and subscribe. Until next video, take care and keep watching.